Hello everyone and welcome to another new video. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to export a Notion page, and it's pretty simple. So in your Notion app, go to the page that you want to export, and at the right side corner you will see these three dot options. Simply tap on here and scroll a bit down. You can see this option export, and in here you can see export format. If you just simply click on here, you will see these three options. That one is PDF, HTML, Markdown, and CSV. You can choose any of the format that you need. And here you can see include database, current view, default view. Basically, they will show you some features whenever you choose your format. As you can see, if you choose this HTML, they will show you some other features. So the first time you select the format, simply tap on this export option, and that's it. Your file is going to be export. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video find you helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe the channel for more tips and tricks.